Greetings students. Today I will show you how to apply for a new visa and renew your visa while studying at Ton Duc Thang University. Depending on your nationality, the expiration date may vary from 3 months to 1 year. There are a few things that you should keep in mind when applying for a visa to study at Ton Duc Thang University. First, the conditions. Students must be outside of the territory of Vietnam, and your visa must be considered issued by the Immigration Department. Second, required documents must be sent via email through our mailbox, gradstudy@tdtu.edu.vn. The required documents include a scanned passport with your full name and passport number, the admission letter from TDTU, the location where your visa was issued. Third, your visa will be available after 7 to 10 business days. We will send you an email and you will receive your visa at the given location. Next, here's the information you need to know to renew your visa during your studying period at Ton Duc Thang University. Step 1. You must contact room 8003 directly at TDTU to get a student certificate, which might take around 2 business days. Here is the student certificate, which will include your full name, date of birth, and your student ID. Step 2. To submit a visa application, these following documents must be provided: a student certificate, confirmation letter if you have one, your original passport. Remember, if you change to a new passport, both versions must be submitted. A 3x4 photo and an NA5 form. The School of Graduate Studies will send you an email. Please fill out the form, print out, and send it to SGS to be signed. The NA5 form looks like this. Remember to fill in all the information required in the form. You must capitalize your full name, and the purpose of the entry must be studying. If you are staying at our dorm, please fill your room as well, and if you are not, please write your exact address. If you want to issue your visa for a single time, tick the single box. Tick the multiple box for multiple times. The fee for a single time issuing a visa is $10 US, and multiple time is $145 US. Please pay these fees in Vietnam dong. Notice that you must sign this form and write your full name below your signature. If you stay at our dormitory, the certificate of temporary residence must be provided by the dormitory management. If you stayed outside of our dorm, the certificates must be provided by your landlord, along with 2 copies of your passport. If you request an extension for the first time, you must also provide the official entry letter to Vietnam for the first time. The fee for an extension for Lao students is free of charge, but for students from other countries, depending on your request of duration, the fee may vary. Usually, it's about $145 US. Please notice that you must pay this amount in Vietnam dong, which is approximately 3.5 million. Step 3. Submit your files at the Immigration Office at 196 Nguyễn Thị Minh Khai, Ward 6, District 3, Ho Chi Minh City. To apply for a new visa, you will be taken to the Immigration Department. To extend your visa, you can travel to the office by bus or taxi. Results will be available after 7 business days. Step 4. Upon expiration day of your visa, please send your photo via our mailboxes. Here are some deadlines for submission of your visa extension application that you need to keep in mind. Submit the visa renewal application to the SGS office 15 days and to the Vietnam Immigration Office 10 days before the expiration date of your visa. Some important notes for students when you're applying for a new visa or extend your current visa. contact these offices if you recently update your passport number. The School of Graduate Studies at B002, the Department of Student Affairs at A003, the Dormitory Management at I005. The deadline for renewing your visa is until the end of the course. Your passport must be valid at least 3 months until the renewal day and must have enough blank pages to renew the visa. This is the end of the tutorial. Hope this video will be helpful and thank you for tuning in. See you next time.